North Carolina is probably going to have me
a little bit longer than normal stop. Hello, how you doing, sir?
How you doing?
Good, you have your license and insurance with you?
Yes, sir.
There's a couple minor reasons I've stopped you, sir. I'm going to write you some warnings. As soon as I get your information, I'll explain to you everything that I stopped you for. Benjamin, whenever you made your lane change from behind that semi over to the inside lane, you were following a little too close to him before you made the movement.
Okay.
And then also when you made the movement, you had already started moving before your turn signal came on, okay?
Yes, sir.
Just try to make sure you give yourself plenty of room between vehicles in front of you when you're going 70.
I'm sorry.
And anytime you change lanes or merge, have that signal on for a good ways before you start moving, okay? All right, come back and have a seat with me for just a moment. I'm going to write you a warning and I'll get you on your way.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, front passenger seat right there.
Yes, sir. Keep you busy tonight?
Yes, sir.
That's
sure
good.
You're heading back towards St. Peter's, I guess?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Who was Chad McKendall?
Oh, he's the guy who got this car.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is he a buddy of yours? Or?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
He just rented the car for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I'm not 25.
Ah, okay. You have to be 25 to rent these cars?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I didn't even know that.
Yeah.
Let's see, you're going to have it left and going back to the same place back in St. Peter's on the 12th.
Mm-hmm.
Does your parents ever crash on you, like in the middle when you're riding a ticket?
All right, like I said, just a warning. Won't cost anything. Don't have to do anything with it.
Appreciate it, man.
Where are you coming from today?
I'm actually coming from Oklahoma. Well, my family lives in Oklahoma.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
Yes, sir.
What part?
Let's see. Back freaking, I don't know what the hell the exit's called.
What town is it?
Shoot, man. Yeah, man, when stuff is on GPS, you don't have to remember that stuff nowadays, you know?
I see. Are you originally from down here?
No.
No?
St.
Okay.
Peter's.
Okay.
Yeah.
You just got some family down this way?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What kind of work you do up in St. Peter's?
I'm a union painter.
Oh, are you? Okay.
Well, I'm not wearing the pants right now. Usually I paint all over.
Right.
I just bought these.
How's the painting business?
It's good, man.
Good?
Yeah. Yep.
Good deal. You still at... Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You down in Oklahoma very long?
Probably about 3 days.
3 days?
Yeah. Pretty boring out here.
Yeah, there's not a whole lot to do in Oklahoma. Sierra 421 City 1060.
Here, 421.
40 eastbound just west of Morgan Road. Kentucky 480, Tom, Paul, Adam. 480, Tom, Paul, Adam. I'm going to send a Missouri 43 to you on mobile cop. I just need a triple I back to OLEDs.
Okay.
This is gonna take real long. I gotta get back on the road.
Yeah, no, not very long at all, luckily.
Thank goodness I'm tired.
As soon as they run all your information and make sure you're not wanted or anything, then you'll be good to go.
Cool.
Benjamin, do you know your driver's license is revoked?
No, I did not.
It's telling me here the
Adam 275.
status of your license is revoked.
Adam
Oh gosh.
You know any reason why that would be?
No, sir.
Notify the company
No,
and have
no.
at least 100 foot of chain.
I took care of the, I got a DWI but
Adam
a
275.
year and a half ago, but my lawyer took care of it. It should be back on.
Okay, I'll do some more looking here, but from what I can see right now, it's telling me that you're revoked for a chemical test revocation October 27th of 2015. Does that sound right?
Yeah. But it shouldn't be revoked anymore. I got that, what's it called, that paper.
Okay. And then something else that says you're eligible for reinstatement October 27th of this year.
What?
Does that sound right?
No, not at all.
Okay.
I did 60 hours of community service so I could have my license back.
Okay. I'll have my dispatchers checking it, so they'll be able to advise me for sure. But
Thank you.
what area, what part of Oklahoma were you coming from?
It's like 10 minutes that way.
10 minutes that way?
Yeah.
Okay. So you just
got back on
you
the road.
just got on the road, huh? Okay.
Oklahoma City Adam 275. Chandler tires are out.
Well, it's clear.
Winch is a little dirty.
I'm sorry?
Winch is a little dirty.
Yes, it is. We've had a lot of bad weather over here. Were you here for all that snow and ice that we got the other day?
No.
You weren't here for that? Okay.
3 days ago?
Yeah. Yeah, we had some weather come through.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. I think it was Saturday.
Even any snow on the ground right now.
Yeah, Saturday we had, it was more in western and northwestern Oklahoma, but even southern Oklahoma, they got some snow and stuff. So,
What's the 20 now?
you say the paint business is going good up there?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, it looks like there's a pinch point inside shoulder, left now. Just about
Yeah, it's going good, man.
Yeah. Looks like they've been sitting there for some time.
What all family do you, like your mom and dad stuff down here, or what kind of family do you
No,
got
it's
down
my
there?
Uncle Sam.
Yo.
He's a head coach at the university over there.
Which one?
The Oklahoma University of Oklahoma.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sammy Henson,
Okay. What sport?
wrestler.
Oh, really? Okay.
Got the wrestler's tattoo up here.
Oh, yeah.
Like it's in the mail, I guess.
Wrestling's, they're getting going this time of year, ain't they?
Yeah. Right now they're going strong.
Now I just dropped it in the black hole. I have a rag and I'm like, bands on it, so I can like a tube, so like it won't fall down there. Like it's so bad where it did when you. That's a good idea. Yeah, I just have like a kitchen rag. They're golden.
All right, Benjamin, I'm just going to write you the warning for the lane use and the following too close. Okay, do you understand both the reasons why I stopped you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. There is no court, there is no fine or anything like that associated with this. Just try to make sure you maintain a safe distance between you and whoever's in front of you. And then in the event you have to change lanes or exit the interstate, have your signal on for a good ways before you start moving, okay?
Yes, sir.
Adam,
All right, any questions?
No, sir.
All right, man.
Thank you.
All right.
You have a good day.
All
What's
right,
your name?
Chase.
Chase?
Yep.
Officer Chase?
Yep.
All right. You have a good one.
Hey,
Oh,
Ben.
you have that paper?
Oh, yeah, you bet, right there.
Thank you. What's
Hey,
up, brother?
can I ask you a couple more questions?
Yes, sir.
Hey, do you have anything illegal up there in your car?
No, sir.
No marijuana or anything?
No. I don't do that.
No drugs, cocaine,
No, sir.
meth, heroin, nothing like that?
We're arrested, man.
I hear you, man. We get a lot of people up and down I-40 that smuggle drugs across the country and stuff. It's one of the main roads people use to get from deep west to deep east and stuff. And matter of fact, we got 170 pounds of marijuana out here just the other night. So, I mean, it's a very regular occurrence. You're sure there's nothing like that in your car?
I'm positive.
Okay, are you responsible for everything that is in your car?
Yeah.
You are? Okay, can I search your car?
Is there probable cause?
No, I have reasonable suspicion right now.
Oh, you do?
I do not have probable cause right now.
Reasonable suspicion. What's suspicious?
Reasonable suspicion means that if you don't give me consent to search your vehicle, I can detain you until I can run a dog around it.
Okay.
And then if a dog alerts, then I will have probable cause.
Okay. Well, that's fine.
I'm asking for your consent.
Yeah,
Can I
search.
That's okay with you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, all right. Before I start, can I check your person for weapons?
Yeah.
Do you have anything illegal on you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, just sit tight for me, and I'll come over there and I'll let you out.
Okay.
And I'll check you, and there's another trooper here with us now, and I can make this very quick, okay? All right. Sierra 421 said he'd be out of the unit. And there is a dog right here behind you, but he won't bother you.
Okay.
Sit tight for me. Okay, Ben, just hop out for me. Keep that stuff in your hands. Throw your hands right up here on top of the car for me. You don't have anything sharp or any weapons or nothing? Okay. I actually don't have anything in the pocket. Okay, good deal. Good. All right, Ben, you can have a seat. And if you need anything, just step out and holler at me, okay? Like I said, that dog's right there, but he ain't gonna bother you, all right? Thank you.
All right, okay.
Oh, buddy, he's okay. He's a good boy.
Hey, they're a lot closer to the ramp than I thought. I have to fall. I turn around at Western, side shoulder right. Yeah, I'm backing up on that side shoulder, then trying to get over there.
Tell me what's in there. That black suitcase?
It's not my suitcase.
It's not yours. Whose is it? Somebody give it to you?
Yes, sir.
Turn around, face that way towards my window, put your hands behind your back with the thumbs up in there. Where's the key, dog? I don't want to have to tear it up. It's not his.
It's
Not his suitcase. Alright, because you're kind of a stout guy, I'm going to have to put two on you, so just bear with me, okay? Alright, are either one of them too tight on you, Ben?
No, you're okay. This watch, that might be the one.
Alright, hang on, I'm going to double tight, I'm going to double lock them. Ben, that's a large amount of marijuana there in the vehicle.
That's not mine.
Probably don't need to say anything else to me, okay? I'm gonna Mirandize you later. If you want to talk to me, you can, but
Yes, sir.
you probably need to think long and hard about what you're looking at on that hood, because you're about to be held accountable for it, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, turn around, sit back in your seat normal.
Log, I'll be back tonight.
Okay.
Sheriff 421 City.
Sheriff 421.
I'll put this to you one time. Go ahead and start me, Harold.
Clear and Arrow, 10:15 at 28, 12 hours. Adam 252 City, 1026. Adam 252. CMB I-40 westbound, East Agnew. It'll be out with a black pickup truck, the trailer, they got a flat. I'll be providing traffic control. Okay. Hey, is there another one? I'm at another one right behind you. Let's take this. You on the outside there? Yeah, I'm on the outside. What's their deal? Flat tires, okay. Wonder if there's something in the road. Yeah, it's not like you got a flat earlier? No, I haven't. I guess you said you're out with me, man. You got a car wash or something? Yeah, I never say anything about it, but like, I fought a car wash, and I was entering it because they told me they were. Drive over to you, that's fine. Man, that's why sometimes I don't even check 1026. I'm like, hey man, is everything good? And I like help them out, but I don't like, you know. Oklahoma City, Sierra 421. Oklahoma City, Sierra 421. You don't want indoor storage with Arrow?
Sheriff 421 City, negative.
Okay.
29, that's going to be on a personalized out of Oklahoma. It's going to be 6, Paul, Tom, 2, Mary Adam, X-ray.
Yeah, 6400.
Sorry, buddy. Ah.